Barcelona is a vibrant and cosmopolitan city located on the northeast coast of Spain. It's known for its stunning architecture, rich cultural heritage, delicious food, and lively nightlife. Here are some touristic information on Barcelona that you might find helpful. 1. Sagrada Familia. The Sagrada Familia is Barcelona's most famous landmark and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a stunning basilica designed by the famous architect Antoni Gaudí and has been under construction for over a century. The basilica is a must-visit for anyone interested in architecture and history. 2. Parc Güell. Parc Güell is another famous landmark designed by Antoni Gaudí. It's a beautiful park that features colorful mosaics, sculptures, and other architectural features. The park offers stunning views of the city and is a great spot for a picnic or a stroll. 3. Gothic Quarter. The Gothic Quarter is the oldest and most historic part of Barcelona. It's a maze of narrow streets and alleys that date back to medieval times. The quarter is home to several historic landmarks, including the Barcelona Cathedral and the Plaça del Rei. 4. La Rambla. La Rambla is a bustling boulevard in the heart of Barcelona. It's lined with shops, cafes, and street performers and is a popular spot for tourists to take a stroll and soak up the local atmosphere. 5. Camp Nou. If you're a football fan, you won't want to miss a visit to Camp Nou, the home of FC Barcelona. The stadium offers tours that allow visitors to explore the locker rooms, pitch, and other behind-the-scenes areas. 6. Picasso Museum. The Picasso Museum is a must-visit for art lovers. It houses one of the most extensive collections of Picasso's works in the world and offers a fascinating look at the artist's life and career. 7. Montserrat. Montserrat is a beautiful mountain range located just outside of Barcelona. It's home to a famous monastery that houses a statue of the Black Madonna, which is a popular pilgrimage site for Catholics. 8. Barcelona Beach. Barcelona is Barcelona's most famous beach and a popular spot for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. The beach is lined with cafes and restaurants, making it a great place to grab a bite to eat or a drink. I hope you find this touristic information on Barcelona helpful and that you enjoy your visit to this beautiful city. 9. Casa Batlló. Casa Batlló is another famous building designed by Antoni Gaudí. It's a beautiful modernist building that's known for its colorful facade and unique architectural features. Visitors can take a guided tour of the building to learn more about its history and design. 10. Palau de la Música Catalana. The Palau de la Música Catalana is a beautiful concert hall located in the heart of Barcelona. It's known for its stunning stained glass windows and ornate decorative features. The concert hall offers regular performances by local and international musicians. 11. Lambaqueria. Lambaqueria is a famous market located on La Rambla. It's a vibrant and colorful place to explore, with stalls selling everything from fresh produce to local delicacies. The market is a great place to sample some of Barcelona's delicious food and drink. 12. Casa Mila. Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera, is another famous building designed by Antoni Gaudí. It's a beautiful modernist building that's known for its unusual shapes and forms. Visitors can take a guided tour of the building to learn more about its history and design. 13. Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. The Magic Fountain of Montjuïc is a popular attraction located near the Palau Nacional in Montjuïc. It's a stunning fountain that's known for its colorful light and music shows. The fountain is a great place to visit in the evening and is a popular spot for photos. 14. Tibidabo Amusement Park. Tibidabo Amusement Park is a fun-filled park located on the top of Tibidabo Mountain. It's home to several rides and attractions, including a Ferris wheel and a roller coaster. The park offers stunning views of Barcelona and is a great place to spend a day with family or friends. I hope these additional touristic information on Barcelona help you plan your trip and that you have a wonderful time exploring this amazing city.